Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you that I've been using Herbishh hair color, and look, the bottle is almost empty because I've been using this like for almost a year, and it's really good on my hair. It's so gentle on the hair and gentle on the scalp as well. So look, and I'm using the chestnut brown color. And I even sent one full bottle to my parents. So my parents are almost like 75 years old, and it's gentle to their hair. It's no harsh chemicals, and it's really safe to use. And I really love it, and I always recommend this for my friends who has some gray hairs too. So yeah, try it and then give me a shout. Thank you.